Hello, and welcome to today's family program. I'm Dr. Kitcher, and it's always a joy to be with you on this program. Today's family is here to help you understand life's issues and talk about, topics that are very important and relevant to our lives. So for those who are here for the first time, I would like to encourage you to watch our previous programs because our programs are built one on the other. And we are talking this time about mentoring. We have done 2 sessions and we will be concluding today. So it's very important that you watch the previous programs. And for those of you who are here and everybody else, I would want you to call a friend and also invite them to watch this program with you. And you feel free to also share the link with others. We will love that everybody gets a bit of what we are giving here because we believe it is very important for your life. Thank you so much. So we're talking about mentoring. We have defined what it is, the benefits of mentoring. And, there are certain things that if you really want to leave a legacy, then you must be involved in. One of it is mentoring, because mentoring is the proof that you are a leader and a great leader. The greatest act of leadership is mentoring. Why? Because when you mentor people, you are not only investing in people to become better, but you also leave a legacy that you help others to get into where they are. And like I said previously, a mentor and a mentee may not be too different from each other because you usually would mentor someone who is also in a similar field or, trend like you. And in that case, you can share experience, you can teach and, guide and, and nurture. And that is how it is done. If you want to learn to achieve, and accomplish things, then you have to make sure that you invest in the next generation. Anyone who does not invest in the next generation or does not mentor anyone as a leader is actually leading only for maybe his or a lifetime. But if you want your leadership to go beyond and to improve and to become better than you are, then invest in the next generation. Mentoring is also the highest level of maturity and self-confidence. Many people feel reluctant to share what they know. They value the things that maybe opens doors for them or gives them a platform or makes them important so much that they are very reluctant to share with anybody. So it's like my knowledge, my expertise, my achievements, let everything die with me. And I don't care what happens when I'm not here. It is not the best thing to do. You will see that many people live exemplary lives, and after they are dead and gone thousands of years, because they left a legacy and others followed it, today we can build on that and study their lives and become better. I am thankful to all my mentors who at one level or the other helped me, especially when I was starting off in life as a speaker, as someone who cares for community, as somebody who is interested in the welfare of others. Some of the lessons that my mentors taught me keeps me going today. They say what you know, you have to share. When you share, you don't lose what you have, but you rather multiply it. And he said, anybody you invest in would become better. And when they are better, they will learn to invest in others. And there will be that kind of, knockdown effect where one person sparks a fire and before you see, the whole plantation is on fire. It is very, very important for us to understand the power of mentoring. If you are not ready to leave a legacy, then you can forget about mentoring. But if you believe in leaving a legacy, then you must be involved in mentoring. A mentor will not focus on himself. He would rather focus on the one who will give the next maybe 50 years. Because you have been in something, maybe for the past 30, 40 years, and now you pass it on to somebody in his 20s. Invest in with the history, the know-how, and what you have been able to master. And I guarantee you the next 50 years will be guaranteed. So, long after you are not here on this planet, you will be confident before leaving here, knowing that whatever it is that you build is going to last. This is why also when you are mentoring as a leader, you have to give solid foundation. Never be in a hurry when you are mentoring, and never, be, how would I say, cut corners when you are mentoring. Don't be stingy when you are mentoring. In time of mentoring, follow the rules 100%. You can't cut any corners because you are building foundation on which others will build. So if you put in, sand in the foundation, and then you build the edifice, it may stand maybe for the opening ceremony. And when it starts being used as a functional building, it will cause chaos. Many leaders have hidden source of their knowledge. They have hidden, how they got to do things. They just tell you, yeah, you got to work hard and you got to, growing up, I hear a lot of people, they tell you how, they worked so hard, how they were committed, how they, sacrificed, but they never say exactly what is hard work for them, what is sacrifice for them. Oh, I read so many books, it will never give you a title of a book. I remember one leader, he has some very good books on leadership, and he would always hide those books. He would read the books and then come, share what he's gotten in the books, with others. And sometimes it looks like, he's the smartest thing happening, but such a person dies with his knowledge, and that is the end. What a shame when we found out where he gets stuff from. And if we have been privy to what the source is, we could have even taken stuff from there and made it relevant for our times. Looking back, you will see how many people entered into problem because they did not get full knowledge of what is taught. If you read a book of 14 chapters and you share only 3 with somebody and say you've read the book, go leave it out, you may have missed out on very great chapters. So if you are leading, if you are mentoring, don't cut corners. Cutting corners is building a grave either for yourself or for the next generation after you or your grandchildren. So please let us be careful when we mentor. Mentoring is one of the, most beautiful things that can happen to a man. When you have a mentor, you don't go around the bush. You get stuff done right on time in the equal measures, and you will be successful. I hope this topic has helped you. There is more to delve into as far as mentoring is concerned, but what we try to do is to give you the general things that comes with mentoring. And if you are more interested to know more about mentoring and other things, you can always contact us. We will also provide you with information that we have in specific areas of mentoring. I have been general because I'm speaking to, people from all walks of life and, different backgrounds, culturally and religious and all that. So it's basically the general things which are common to every form of mentoring. So if you have specific needs that probably may have not been addressed here, feel free to contact us and we will be glad to respond to you. This has been your favorite program, Today's Family. I'm Dr. Abed Kitcher, and we meet next week when we open a new topic. I wish you the best and enjoy, and please like, share, and invite others to join and watch this program with you. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.